I will die in the ANC.
It's a contradiction.
Because you don't understand what is called a political something.
Waphendula kanje owabe engumengameli wezwe ukucacisa ngesinqumo sakhe sokumela iqembu iMK eseyilungu leANC. Namhlanje unobhala jikelele weANC ufikile Mbalula uphawule kanje ngalokhu.
The National Disciplinary Committee finds that the charged member is found guilty of contravening Rule 25.17.17.4 of the ANC Constitution.
Kungokuqala ke eminyakeni engaphezulu kwekhulu ukuthi uKhongolose uxoshe owabe engumengameli wayo eqenjini.
Dealing with the Jacob Zuma matter has not been an easy one in terms of how normally you deal with people who behave like him as members of the ANC, who choose to leave the party and then form a political party and work against the party openly and decampaign the party.
Kusenjalo iMK party ithi isigcawu seANC sokuqondiswa igwegwe owabe engumengameli bese inkantolo nje yasehlathini.
President Zuma in this case will then make a decision as to how he goes about it and we'll support him in that.
Uma kade bona weANC uthi leli qembu bengamele livumela ukuthi igama leANC lisetshenziswe budedengu.
You're talking about the leadership. The leadership should not have allowed this thing to be registered.
Uzuma uzosidlulisa lesi sinqumo.